Hi, I'm Ellen. I've been working at Monzo through Flex paralegaling for just over a year now. I've actually just finished my LPC, which I studied at BPP in London. So I get the results for that at the end of July, which is a bit nerve-wracking. And then I'll start my training contract at Mayer Brown at the end of August. So that's really exciting. So I've had a really good experience working with Flex. They found me a placement a couple of days after I interviewed and signed up with them. I felt like they actually listened to what my needs were and my availability, which is something I found quite unique for an agency. They also send me a text on Monday morning if I've forgotten to submit my timesheet, which I find really, really useful. It also helps that I've really enjoyed my placement at Monzo. It's really fun and a varied role as well. The biggest challenge for me was actually a lot of these placements expect you to really hit the ground running and start contributing and advising straight away. On the first day I was giving advice, and the first week I was looking at contracts. And that, for me, that was a really positive thing. I found it challenging and exciting, but it is something to perhaps be aware of and expect. So my advice for incoming paralegals is don't be afraid to ask questions and even look a bit silly, especially if it's your first couple of days. Sometimes I feel like a lot of my role is actually working out what the right questions to ask are, or even who to ask them. And actually sometimes in law there just is no actual answer. Sometimes it is a grey area or it's an untested part of law.